everyone, my name is Maria. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great week, day, month. Today I'm actually very excited to do this video, not only because I finally have my lighting here with me to film, but because I'm so excited to review one of my favorite beauty gurus on YouTube, Yasmin, also known as Beautyybird, new product that she came out with, and it's her Beautyybird lashes, and also known as Birdy lashes. So if you see the packaging, this is how it came. It's really nice, like the logo that they put on there. It's just like a black package thing. And then I'm so excited to review this, not only because I know Jasmine product is gonna be amazing, but because I actually own another product that she came out with, which is the Dream Palette, and I love this. So I knew that if I purchased what she made, it was gonna be a good thing. So I love that palette very much. I use it often. I am not a beauty guru. I am just a regular customer purchasing these Birdy lashes. And that is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this video, because I wanted to get the whole packaging and then trying them on to see how it really works. You know, I'm very excited to try her product because she came out with eyeliner glue. That's an actual eyeliner and a glue at the same time, which is amazing. The best, greatest idea I think anyone has come up with, because hello, it's gonna make it so much easier, less time consuming to even try to put on lashes. Me myself, I don't wear lashes, so I'm using this platform to show you guys if it is that easy or does it take a little bit of practice. So I'm gonna film that process with you guys, but first I wanted to actually review how the product came in, how long it took. I know from watching her vlogs that she is doing this herself with her husband and her family. So that's a really, really nice thing, that she actually is putting in the work herself and her family. And I know for a fact that they packaged this for me, so that's such a good thing already. Like, you know, they packaged it for me, so it's really nice. The pricing wise, the lashes are $12 and then the eyeliner is $12, so I think it's very budget friendly. And I was able to purchase two, the Dream Lash and then the Gemini, and then the glue, which is the black one. So we're gonna package it right now. I'm so excited. So like I said, this is how it came, and obviously her little logo is so cute. Like, this is really cute. I'm gonna open it for the first time, guys, so I'm so excited. Let's see, maybe I should have gotten scissors. But isn't that the fun of it, to open it like if it was a Christmas present? So I haven't opened it, and I had it for a few days. I was just waiting on my lighting to come in, honestly. Oh, I have scissors right here. Scissors. If you have scissors, use them. So let's go ahead and just open this. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. So the first thing that comes with is obviously the receipt. Cute. It's simple paper. Like, obviously I can't show you guys. Oh, maybe I can. No, I can, because actually maybe I can. So it shows, you know, what the items you got. Very simple. It was printed the 8th, so that's when I ordered them, the 8th, and they packaged them by the 10th. So this is what I got. I got the Birdy eyeliner in black, the Gemini lashes, and the Dream lashes. So these are the items that I received in this little package. So that's how that came. Ooh. And then, oh my god, the packaging is really sturdy, guys. Like, what? Oh my god, how cute is it? Look at that. How freaking cute is this? And the guys, literally the packaging, it's like you don't want to throw away the little box because you can use it to store jewelry or something. That's how nice it is. Like, what the heck? And this is a Dream one. Oh my god, to have them in my hands is crazy, because I was waiting for this, you know. Oh my god, the packaging is so nice. Ooh, Gemini. They are beautiful, guys. Like, what in the whole wide world is this? The packaging, guys, I'm so like shook at the packaging. It's really like sturdy and nice. Oh my god, how freaking nice. For $12. Ooh, and then the Birdy liner, very nice. A very nice packaging as well. Very, oh, how cute. And then it says Birdy I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Birdy lashes. Hold on, let me see if I can get my camera to focus on it. But it has a trademark on it, like she trademarked her brand, which is awesome. A Latina, there you go. And it says 2-in-1 longwear waterproof liquid eyeliner and adhesive. Wow. Okay, let's open this. How exciting. Oh my god, how exciting. I'm like a little girl with candy. How okay, guys, like look how nice. Like honestly, if you guys can feel the product, like you know when you get product and you're like, oh, like it's good, but no, this feels like really good quality. Like even holding it, it's crazy. Oh my god, it's really on there. Ooh, so this is how it looks like. It's amazing. Now I'm gonna open the lashes. How nice. Like, it's so cute. I'm so excited. They're packaged very nicely, actually. Like, I'm surprised. Oh my god. Ooh, it's the dream. And then they actually come with a little sticky right there. Oh my god, how cute. And then you open them like this. Oh my god. They're beautiful, guys. They're beautiful. And they feel really, really soft. Like I'm shook how soft they are. There you go. Oh my god, how exciting. Yasmin! Oh my god, I feel like you're my friend. Like I'm opening like the stuff that you made. Crazy. And then the other one, which is this one's the Gemini. How exciting is this, guys? Oh my god. I can't believe like she did this. And I know there's so many like, you know, YouTubers and beauty girls that do this, and you know, it's just so much out there that like you just don't know what to spend your money on. And honestly, if you're gonna spend on someone, Beautyybird is the way to go, because her products are just so nice. Like she takes her time to get it right, and that's important. That's very important when you're selling product to your subscribers, is the quality. Gemini, they're so guys, like if you guys can see it, like they literally look like real eyelashes. Like I'm not kidding you guys. Like they look like, you can't really see it through the camera, but when you are in front of these, like looking at them, wow, they look like real eyelashes, guys. Like very nice full eyelashes. Like if you were born with eyelashes, these are the lashes that you wanted to be born with. Oh my god, how exciting. Okay, how exciting is this, guys? I am so happy that I was able to unbox this with you guys. I love it already. I'm giving it a 10 just with the packaging itself. It's really good. And I am so excited to come back in a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, my basic makeup, because again, I'm not a YouTube makeup guru. I'm just Maria. So this is gonna come from a perspective as a subscriber, her regular subscriber. And yeah, and I purchased these. I spent 36 bucks on these 3 products, and they're the best $36 that I paid. So let's get it, guys. So I'll be back with a different video trying these on and see how it really works. All right, thanks guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Bye.